Hi everyone, today we are going to learn few of the current affair which is in the news, that is the Operation Olivia. So today Olivia in the environment and ecology current affair. So it is related to the turtle. This is the reason I have just presented a turtle over here. Now let's understand what is Operation Olivia. So it is the Operation Olivia is what it was initiated in 1980s, and it is to protect the turtles. And Olivia turtles are the species which are listed in the Wildlife Protection Act Schedule 1. Yesterday we have discussed what is Wildlife Protection Act and what are the schedules over there presented over there, and now helping them for the breeding, and this operation is helps to breeding and nesting these kind of a turtles. And before going further, let's understand what is the sea turtle families are there. They are kind of the five sea turtle. Under the sea turtle families there are the five species which are found. There is a hawksbill turtle, loggerhead turtle, leatherback turtle, green turtle, and olive riddle turtle. And today I'm going to discuss with the olive riddle turtle. Let's start. So before going further, let's get back to the history. So the government of India and United Nations Development Program initiated the sea turtle project. What it is after all. So the significant portion of the world Olivier turtle population migrates every winter to the Indian coastal water for the nesting, mainly at the eastern coast. The olive turtle inhabit the warm water of the Pacific, Atlantic, and the Indian Ocean. With the objective of the conservation of the olive red turtles and other endangered marine turtle, Ministry of Environment and Forest Climate Change initiated the Sea Turtle Conservation Project. It is in collaboration with the United Nations Development Programme in November 1999. The Wildlife Institute of India, Dehradun, it was the implementing agency. But before going further, let me tell you what is the Wildlife Institute of India. So it's agency which in taking care as it act as a body to implement the projects. It is only not only include the maritime project, it also include various projects which is entrusted by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. So before going further, let's back to the current affair. That means the Oliver Lake. Its scientific name is this. You can read it. It is covered under the vulnerable side of the International Union for Conservation Nature's list. What it is? Actually, right now it is the endangered species, and it is also covered under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 Schedule 1. It is the IUCN. It is the massive and intergovernment. It is the government. It is the international body which is right now working massively for the conservation of the biodiversity. And all five species of the sea turtle which are found in India are included in the Schedule 1. Apart from this, there is also another agreement, or I would say um, it was signed the convention, which is called the Convention on the International Trade in the Endangered Species of the Wildlife, Flora and Fauna, which is properly known as a CITES. It was signed in July 76, which was ratified in the October 1976. Accordingly, the same on the parallel level, when the convention, that is CITES, was signed on the parallel level, they have also signed they will also make the amendment in the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. So this is the history of the CITES, that is Convention on the International Trade in the Endangered Species of the Wildlife. Now the question is why it was signed. It prohibits the trade. It prohibits the trade in such kind of a endangered species, so that there could be so there could be a prohibition, and there should be a risk should be minimized. So accordingly, the they are just trying to provide a gap between the man wildlife and the stock life. Hope guys you this video. Thank you for watching this, and please do subscribe. Thanks.